Mensuration. You've learned about different shapes in geometry. Look at the object shown here. What do we call these shapes? Solid shapes or three-dimensional shapes. We know a solid shape is a three-dimensional figure that has width, depth, and height. Observe that some shapes have two or more than two identical or congruent faces. For a cuboid, all 6 faces are rectangular and opposite faces are identical. So there are 3 pairs of identical faces. In case of a cube, all 6 faces are squares and identical. And if we consider a cylinder, it has one curved surface and 2 circular faces which are identical. Observe that the cylinder has congruent circular faces that are parallel to each other. And the line segment joining the center of the circular faces is perpendicular to the base. Such cylinders are known as right circular cylinders. There are other types of cylinders as shown in the second figure. Total and lateral surface area of a cuboid and a cube. We know how to find the areas of two-dimensional figures such as squares, rectangle, triangle, circle, etc. How will you find the areas of solid shapes? Let us learn about it now. Here we have a cuboid-shaped cardboard box. Let's say we want to find how much cardboard was used to make this box. That means we need to find the area of this box. To do so, we need to add the areas of all the faces of this box. The sum of the areas of all faces of a cube or a cuboid is known as its total surface area. Thus here, total surface area is given by adding the areas 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Given the length, breadth, and height of this box is L, B, and H respectively. Let us substitute these values. We get the total surface area of the cuboid as the sum of 2 times height and length, 2 times breadth and height, and 2 times breadth and length. By simplifying, we get the total surface area of a cuboid like this. Suppose the height, length, and breadth of the box is shown here. Then, the total surface area of the box is equal to 220 centimeters square. Next, suppose we remove the base and the top of the box. What will be the area of the remaining portion of the box? To find this out, we need to add the areas of the 4 side faces excluding the top and the base. This area is known as the lateral surface area. Thus, the lateral surface area of the box is equal to 2 times the height multiplied to the sum of the length and breadth. Now for the given cuboid, we can find the lateral surface area. That is equal to 180 centimeters square. Suppose the box is cubical in shape. In that case, what will be the total and lateral surface areas? Let's find out. A cube has 6 faces in all. So the total surface area is 6 times the area of one face. Each face is a square, and so the area of one face is the square of the side. We multiply 6 with the square of the side to find the total surface area. Let's say the length of each side of this cube is 5 centimeters. So, the total surface area of this cube is 6 times the square of 5, which is 150 centimeters square. Similarly, we find lateral surface area. If we leave out the top and the base of a cube, we are left with only 4 faces. So the lateral surface area of a cube is 4 times the area of one face. In other words, we multiply 4 with the square of the side of the cube. The length of the side of this box is 8 centimeters. 4 times the square of 8 is 256. So 256 centimeters square is the lateral surface area. Problem. The length, breadth and height of a box are 12 inches, 10 inches and 10 inches respectively. Find the total cost of material used to make this box if the cost of material is rupees 5 per square inch. Given, length of the room is 12 inch, width is 10 inch and height is 10 inch. The amount of material used to make this box is equal to its total surface area. On substituting the values of the length, breadth and height, we get the total surface area as 680 square inches. Since the cost of material is rupees 5 per square inch, the total cost of material used for this box is 5 times its total surface area. Therefore, it is 5 times 680, which is equal to rupees 3,400. Find the side of a cube whose surface area is 600 centimeters square. Now we know the formula for total surface area of cube, that is 6 times the square of the side. Equating this to the given value of total surface area of the cube, we get the side of the cube equal to 10 centimeters. The internal measures of a cuboidal room are 12 meters into 8 meters into 4 meters. Find the total cost of whitewashing all the 4 walls of the room. If the cost of whitewashing is rupees 5 per meter square, what will be the cost of whitewashing if the ceiling of the room is also whitewashed? Given, we have length of the room 12 meters, width 8 meters and height 4 meters. Area of the 4 walls of the room will be equal to perimeter of the base multiplied by height of the room. That is equal to 2 times the sum of length and breadth of the room multiplied by height of the room. Thus, the area will be 160 meters square. Given, cost of whitewashing per meter square is rupees 5. Hence, the total cost of whitewashing 4 walls of the room is rupees 800. Area of the ceiling will be given by the product of length and breadth of the room, which is equal to 96 meters square. Hence, cost of whitewashing the ceiling will be equal to rupees 480. So the total cost of whitewashing is equal to 1,280. A manufacturer produces 50 cardboard cubicle boxes daily. If the length of each side of a box is 2 meters, find the amount of cardboard used by the manufacturer in a week. The amount of cardboard used to make one box is equal to its total surface area. As the box is a cube, its total surface area is 6 times the square of the length of its side, which is 2 meters. Therefore, the amount of cardboard used to construct each box is 24 square meters. Since 50 boxes are produced daily, the amount of cardboard used daily is 50 times 24, that is 1,200 square meters. Thus, in a week, the total amount of cardboard used is 7 times the amount of cardboard used per day, that is 8,400 square meters. Let us summarize what we have learned. Lateral surface area of a cuboid is equal to 2h into L plus B. Total surface area of a cuboid is equal to 2 into L into B plus B into H plus L into H. Lateral surface area of a cube is equal to 4 into side square. Total surface area of a cube is equal to 6 into side square.